This is the TPH product review. Is it a bop or a flop? Welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ebony. And this product review has nothing to do with the lovely Taraji P. Henson. She is freaking amazing in her own right and all her great endeavors. We're going to separate her from the product. I use the Make It Rain Hydrating Conditioner and the Smooth Attitude Leave-In Conditioner on my low porosity hair, and this is what happened. Okay, the conditioner as a co-wash was a bust. It didn't do well with my hair as a co-wash, so I washed my hair and used it as a conditioner, and it was a bust. It made my hair hard, and it also wafted my hair together. Look at that. It's hard and sticky, and it just doesn't feel good. And look at that. I couldn't really detangle. I was afraid to do any more. As you can see, the smell is still there, but it's not as strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on camera right now, no voiceover, the Smooth Attitude Leave-In Conditioner and see how that does with my hair. It's supposed to be hydrating hair milk leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna see if this is really strong. See if that'll help detangle my hair. At first touch, it has slip. However, the smell is so strong. It smells like, it's burning my eyes. It smells like ooh. I'm gonna have to wash that. No, don't do it. Don't pick it up. I don't recommend it. Please don't waste your money. I really wanted to like this product, so I picked out two of the products that should be fail-proof. They should be fail-proof. The leave-in should be a leave-in. A leave-in should be smooth and conditioning and keeping your hair moist and giving you definition. However, it smells like an old church with mothballs and peppermints and arthritis cream, and the smell is bad. But I would put up with the smell if it actually did something for my hair. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't pick it up. Don't purchase it. Don't buy it. No, I was gonna say maybe the hydrating mask. I just wouldn't recommend it. I wanted to do a good positive review. I was gonna be that one where I find one product that I love, that I like, that I want to be like, hey, the rest of it don't work, but those two, or that one, it works, but it didn't work for me. The smell is extremely pungent. It's not like, oh, you smell it and then it fades away. No, it's no fading into the background. It's not, it's pungent, it's strong, and it's not good. It's not worth the coin. It's not worth your coin, so keep it in your pocket. Try something else. Thanks for watching. I wish I had more positive words. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those wonderful things, and thanks for watching.